Rajs Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, this is Dr. Mahalakshmi alias Raj from Raj Art and Craft. Today we are going to see about reverse glass painting with oil paint. I have listed the material detail and kit cost in the description list. This is the acrylic fiber glass. You can take a normal glass also. This is oil colors, artist oil colors I am using. Here for skin tones I am using flesh tint and cobalt blue. These are the normal skin tone shades for Krishna we have used. This is the gold paint, and for cleaning purpose I am using birds. The basic brushes also I am using. And one more thing, you should not use acrylic color brush for oil color or some other medium. If you are maintaining a brush for acrylic means you should maintain that brush only for acrylic. If oil means separate for oil brush, in watercolor means for watercolor you need to use separate brush. Don't use same brush for all types of mediums. Now I am using gold color for jewels, ornaments, dress borders. For those areas I am using this gold color. And I am taking my mixing palette and putting all other colors and all other shades slightly in the mixing plate. First I am going to give skin shade for Krishna. So I am using cobalt blue and white color. Mix both color well. Don't add too much white. First I am putting a dark tone outlines. Outline should be in hands, body, and wherever each and every parts you should give first dark outlines. Then put a medium tone. Don't merge the colors immediately. In each area, if you are putting the dark outline one side means you need to give the light tone at the opposite side. In each and every parts you should follow this. So now I have given the dark tone and light tones. Now I am completing that other areas with the light tones. You should give more importance to the face area, mainly for nose and chin. Those areas should be concentrate very must. So remaining areas I am giving the white tone, light tone, which is mixed more white in the cobalt blue. See, by reverse look it will give the good finish, and I am now dapping little crimson color with that cobalt blue mixed color. So it will give you a light mauve shades. For best result you can use the rose madder shade. For center of the palm and the feet you can use flesh tint with crimson. Now I am using it now, so I am using the single shade only crimson with flesh tint. Now I am giving burnt sienna, yellow ochre and chrome yellow with lemon yellow. In this spot I have shown single side now. In this spot I am giving double side shade effect. So you can check the difference later. Like that also you complete the flute and that stick in hand. In peacock feather also I am giving the dark and light on each and every area. Even in dress I am adding one light color and one dark color. This is the basic class, so that I am showing the easy technique. Okay. Now the background of the Krishna also I am giving chrome yellow, orange, then white for the sun effect. So now I am taking green color for peacock feather. It is the sap green. You can add little lemon yellow for the shading lighter effect. For the hair strokes, peacock feathers hair stroke, no, for that also I am giving the green shades. You can add viridian green, yellow ochre and burnt sienna. For the hair I am using black and burnt sienna and little yellow ochre for highlights. I can guess what you are thinking, how can draw this picture like that. Some people are thinking, I know. we are going to show all the techniques, even from basic drawing in glass, how to draw, how to what are the mediums can use in glass. That like we are going to show lot of videos. Already in our previous video we have shown lot of techniques, so that is very useful for you. So please watch that video also, which I have posted in our description. In our upcoming videos we are going to show some more techniques also, because in glass painting there is 20 and more varieties. Even you are going to see mural work, then broken glass work, then lot of techniques with liners. So keep watching. Not only an advanced thing, even kit session also we are going to post, so just keep watching. It will be very useful for you. I am adding little grey or yellow ochre shade. It should be must. Whenever you are giving white color, you must add light blue or ochre shade or grey color, light grey color. Okay. So after completing the yellow ochre and grey shades, I am using white. For mainly for pearls, you give the pure white, and for mud work also remaining area I am giving the white. To make practice, kids can use water based colors, and for this type of painting kids can use acrylic paints. Even we are using more varieties of medium like water based colors, solvent based color, acrylic, fabric colors, glass colors, liners, even liquid embroidery colors. Lot of mediums are there, but each and everything have some procedures. So keep watching, you can learn those things also. In eyes also, half of the top we have given grey color, remaining I am giving white color. On the depth area of the mouth I am giving maroon color. Now for peacock feather, I am using for the dark shades Prussian blue. For the over depth I am using Prussian blue. Remaining area and for merging you can use the same cobalt blue. Now overall picture I am giving Prussian blue outline. You can choose different backgrounds, but I am using Prussian blue as a outline. Outline should be little thick. Don't give very thinly, so the color is not visible while merging. So give little thick lines. See, I will show after the finishing. Now I am using emerald green. I mean it's a viridian green. Okay, direct viridian color I am using, and slightly I am merging the Prussian blue and viridian green. You can dab. If you are new to the oil paint, you can dab while two color is nearby. Overall background I am giving the viridian green, and some areas I am adding little white. You can mix little viridian and white separately, and also you can apply. If you don't like the single color background, means you can give multiple background like ombre shades like half and half or triple colors, or else if you need a floor effect like tile effect or grass effect, you can give a partition. 3/4 of the glass is the top background, and remaining quarter background you can give a floor effect. In upcoming videos we show more techniques and designs, so keep watching. So easily I have shown you how to give oil color on reverse glass painting. In our upcoming videos we will show more techniques in even reverse glass painting, how to use skin color, skin shades, what are the colors we use for skin shades. Not only a flesh tint, we have more techniques. For more classes details, you can WhatsApp or check our FB page link, which I have given in description box. And for materials you can contact 9894222270. It's Mr. Jagan number, Raj Noho Art and Crafts. You can get materials, all kinds of materials, art and craft supplies there. You can check our website also. We have given in description box. So finally our painting is getting over. So this is our final finishing. Hope you are enjoyed and learn it. So please keep watching, subscribe our channel, share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.